What is Ripple? Today we're going to talk about Ripple, XRP, the cryptocurrency, and what does it do and how you could actually use it for your benefit and how to maybe create a ripple in your portfolio by adding it to it. So let's get going. The following information you're going to hear on this video, you can also find on Best of US Investors Platinum channel. We're offering a 14-day free trial right now. It's $60 a month after that, but you get a whole lot of stuff. And I'll explain that a little bit further in the video, so stay tuned. So let's talk about what's Ripple. And today I'm going to use perplexity.ai. It's a search engine. Famous investor Stan Druckenmiller is an investor in this. This is a great search engine that I use personally, and I've started to use it more than the Goog. So check it out, perplexity.ai. So we're looking at here, I typed in what is Ripple, XRP USD, and what is its purpose. And this is very interesting. Ripple provides fast transactions. XRP transactions settle in 3 to 5 seconds, significantly faster than traditional banking systems and many other cryptocurrencies. Low fees to do these transactions, less than 1%, is a very cost-effective way to move money around. Scalability, Ripple provides a network that can handle up to 1,500 transactions per second, making it a highly scalable for global use. Now let's talk about purposes and use cases, cross-border payments. XRP acts as a bridge currency, allowing for quicker and cost-effective international money transfers. Liquidity management. Banks can use Ripple or XRP to manage liquidity better, reduce idle reserves, and optimize capital. That's very important if you're in the banking system. Remittance. XRP can streamline remittance services, benefiting individuals sending money across borders. Micropayments, because of the low transaction fees, XRP is suitable for small, frequent payments in areas like gaming and content monetization. Now, those who are gamers may be using XRP as a catalyst or a bridge to transact and buy games and all that other stuff. Tokenization. XRP lenders support a creation of other digital assets, including stablecoins, which is going to become a big player in the near future, and potentially central bank digital currencies as well. So who is using XRP? Let's dive into that. So companies such as American Express, Bank of America, Santabar Bank, JP Morgan Chase, and Standard Charter Bank are using XRP and have been for as far back as 2016. Now, XRP came on the radar because of a lawsuit by the SEC that has been taken care of. And so now you're seeing more adoption using XRP. Because you think about it, what does it cost? What is the difference between the Swift program and XRP today? We'll touch on that in just 1 second. But other companies who are using XRP as a cross-border platform to transact business are MoneyGram, Western Union, as well as Amazon Web Services. If you're looking for credibility, these are companies who really do their due diligence. So XRP has some legitimacy there, as well as central banks like the Bank of Thailand, Central Bank of Bahrain, Bahrain, along with authorities in Singapore, and I suspect many more will be coming on the way. So how does Ripple compare to the existing SWIFT system? If you are not familiar with what the SWIFT system is, it's the payment system for which countries, companies, big corporations move money around the globe. So here are the differences. Ripple processes transactions in 3 to 5 seconds. SWIFT transactions traditionally take up to 1 to 5 days. Through improvements like Swift GPI, that has been reduced to within 48 hours of transactions. So if you're moving money from one country to another, or a big business moving money from one business to another, would you rather get your money in 3 to 5 seconds, or would you rather get it in 1 to 5 days, or at best 24 hours? Cost efficiencies between Swift and the Ripple system. For Ripple, transactions cost approximately 0.0002 cents. Swift program runs anywhere between $10 and $15 per transaction. So if you're moving money quite a bit, which the financial businesses like banks and financial institutions are doing, this is a major cost savings to them. And that's why you're seeing Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, American Express, Western Union, and Amazon Web Services using this system. So the question now becomes, how do I go about buying Ripple for my portfolio? And is it a good time to buy Ripple? So let's check out some charts. XRP or Ripple is a cryptocurrency. So you can buy those on exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, Fidelity, I believe, offers it now through their crypto offering with Fidelity, along with a handful of other exchanges. Now, it's very important that when you're selecting an exchange, you really want something that is been vetted, is following government regulation here in the United States. You don't want to end up like a couple of these other exchanges that have blown up and people have lost thousands, if not millions of dollars. So right now we're looking at a chart of Ripple on a daily chart. And there are a couple things just to describe how I look at charts and how we do it on the Platinum channel, which is part of the best of US investors. And we're offering a 14-day free trial right now. And I'll talk a little bit more about what we offer in that in just a second. But what you're seeing here is I use the 15, which is 15-day moving average, which is the white line. We use the 63 day period, which is 1/4 of the trading number of traded days in the year, even though Ripple trades 365, 24/7 hours a day. We are still using the 63 period moving average. And then you have the 200 here in red. I'm using the RSI, Relative Strength Index, the MACD, along with slow stochastic. So here's what I'm looking at. Number one, first of all, Ripple, since its recent settling of their lawsuits with the SEC, we're starting to see some excitement. Bring in the account. We're going to have a new administration that is going to be very pro cryptocurrency and take into account the efficiency and cost effectiveness of Ripple's transaction system that is international and cross borders. And we're seeing already a major adoption by some major financial players with this. So when I look at this, one, it's checking the box, it's above the 15. I want to see that happening. More importantly, it's above the 63-day simple moving average. That's what I would definitely want to see, and of course the 200, way above the 200. But here's something I'm checking out right now, and this is this asymmetrical formation in the stock price. Peaked out on December 3rd, which is a month and some days ago, and it's come down and it's building this sort of asymmetrical setup. Now the question will be, will it move higher or move lower? This tinge towards the low side from, low, we've gone from higher lows or higher highs to higher lows, and then we've gone from lower lows to lower highs. It tells me there's a good chance we're going to see a breakout in Ripple. And I've been talking about it on X recently, as well as I posted on TikTok as well. So definitely check me out on X. This is where I post a lot of daily videos as well, talking about crypto along with stocks, bonds, macroeconomics, and all that. So definitely check me out there. But what I'm seeing here is it presently trades at $2.54 as of the recording of this video. How do you add this to your portfolio if you're not usually introducing crypto or don't have crypto in your portfolio? I look at it as cryptocurrency is still a commodity, is not regulated by the SEC at this point, even though they're pushing to get that done with this new administration that's coming here in the United States. The second thing I look at is that It is very volatile. It trades 24/7. You could wake up in the morning and have your face ripped off. That's the risk of cryptocurrency. The other side of it is there's quite a few offering or tokens within Ripple, so there's a big supply of it. And over time, that gets burnt off or the cryptocurrencies get lost, which then drives the supply down. And as demand picks up, could drive the price higher. So, how much do you put into Ripple? Well, I would say if you're investing into a stock initially and your full allocation initially is anywhere between 4 and 6%, cryptocurrency should be anywhere between maybe say 2 and 4%. Because of the volatility, because of the massive leverage it has, it can move around, and you don't want to destroy your overall portfolio by taking too big of a bet. Now, if you're a big time speculator and you have a speculator account, that's up to you. Go from there. Just take my information as not advice or recommendation, but as just some guidance. So when I look at this, I personally own Ripple. I own a small portion of it. I do like the utility of it. I think this is a cryptocurrency or crypto token that could be be readily used in the financial system. And I think that to me is what you're looking for when you're looking at cryptocurrencies. What is the utility? What are they going to do that's going to change our world? You have AI changing our world. How is AI going to help accelerate blockchain technology? How is it going to help crypto, in this case, Ripple, like, better grow their business? How are they going to capitalize on this technology revolution that we're in right now? So, do I like Ripple? Yes, I own it. I think it's at a good price in comparison to Solano and a handful of these other uh, payment transaction cryptocurrencies. It is a big player. It's in the top 10, one of the big top 10 market cap cryptocurrencies out there. So there is money behind it. They're very actually politically active. There was an interview on 60 Minutes with the CEO about their contribution to the Republican Party for this last election. So I see a lot of good things happening in crypto. I see a lot of global transactions and movement of money becoming more efficient and more cost effective. Check out stablecoins. I'll do something on that in the near future. You can always get this kind of information and commentary. Mark and I do a lot of commentary on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency on the Platinum channel. We are offering a 14-day free trial on this. And just to give you a quick overview of what you get, every Sunday, Mark puts out momentum stock trade ideas for the week and technical trades that he believes technically, from a technical analysis standpoint, have a good shot at moving higher over the next 1 to 2 weeks. We put that out on Sunday, and throughout the week, Mark comments on those positions throughout the week. And it's something that is very beneficial to the Platinum subscribers. Second thing out we put out is I put out a price range projection, which is a quantitative analysis program that I've developed over the last 5 years, and it looks at the day-to-day price ranges of the Mag 7, the S&P, the Dow, the triple Qs, along with Bitcoin, along with VIX, and I will be introducing more cryptocurrency positions in this to give you a day-to-day price range, a low end and a high end, where we see quantitatively these stocks are moving. We base those decisions on price and volatility. And so we have that calculation, and you get that as part of the Platinum channel. Every Friday we do a Friday Platinum technical trade call, and that is for members only at 11:30 Central Time on Friday. And we get into crypto, we get into stocks, we get into macro economics, and we talk about how all of these things are affecting each other and how to best play it and position ourselves. We've also this past Friday really stoked about this. We introduced our tribe, the Platinum members all contributed their three best ideas to a Platinum technical trading portfolio that we're going to track throughout the year. So these are ideas that tribe members have put up. Mark and I put up our three, along with 6 to 10 other people who have put up their ideas. And throughout the week, we're going to review that on the channel along with as on our Friday call. So we're super excited about this. It's about the community. It's about building a stronger group of investors overall. So check us out. Go to the link below for the 14-day free trial of the Platinum channel. The link there, as well as I'm going to put together a PDF that you're going to be able to download by clicking the link below, the explanation of what Ripple is, who's using it, and just a bit of a white paper on it so you can have better information. It'll be free of charge. I'll just ask you for your email address, but I'll have a link there. You click it and you download it. Ripple, take a look at it, look at cryptocurrency, look at managing your risk, take a look at the opportunities in the near future because, like every market has done since the beginning of time, there are seasons and there are rotations. What did well the last 2 years may not do well this year, but something else will. And Ripple is one of those positions that I believe will be at the forefront of the upward movement in the coming 12 to 24 months. Check it out. Always remember, live loud. See you.